So this is going to be your first homework, and you're going to do this side by yourself. What you're going to do first is you're going to solve number 1. 2 plus 5. You're going to figure out what is 2 plus 5. Write the answer here. You may draw a picture to help you below it. Boys and girls, what is 2 plus 5?
7.
So you would write 7. Could you draw 2 circles and 5 more circles? Yes, that's okay. What's our next one?
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2, boys and girls?
5.
5. Could you draw 3 squares and 2 squares? Yes. What is our next one?
6. 4 and 2. 6.
So that's 6. So you're going to write 6 and you're going to draw a picture. Everyone with me so far? Yes, what? Thank you, boys and girls. All right. Write the numbers that come before 18. Ooh, before. Does before mean it's going to be smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
I'm hearing a lot of friends saying smaller, so we're going to go with smaller numbers. What comes before 18?
19.
17. What comes before 17?
16.
What comes before 16? 15. What comes before 15? 14.
And then 13.
All right. Sam has 8 baseball cards. Brian has fewer baseball cards than Sam. Draw a picture to show how many baseball cards Brian could have. So for this, we're going to draw a picture. How many baseball cards does Sam have? 8. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put an S in them because that tells me they are whose cards? Sam's cards, right? So Sam has 8 baseball cards. Brian has fewer baseball cards than Sam. Ooh, how many could Brian have? Can Brian have 8, guys? No, so could you maybe put an X, and then could that be how much Brian has? Yes, could you put 2 X's? Yes, you could do that as long as Brian has fewer or less cards than Sam. Any questions on this sheet? No. Circle the shape that has 3 corners and 3 sides.
I have a question.
Yes.
Is there things like behind it?
Yes, we're going to do it backside next.
I know it.
Does this have 3 corners and 3 sides? No. Does this one? Yes. Does this one? So you're going to circle that shape. That's the first side. If you understand how to do the first side, give me a thumbs up. Very good. Now we're going to do the back side. Miss Hill's class counted the number days of school. The class bundled the straws into groups of 10s. They had 4 groups of 10s and 3 left over. How many days have they been in school? We're going to skip count. How many is this, boys and girls? 10. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40. We have some leftovers. How many left over? 3. So I have 4 10s and 3 1s, which makes what number? 43. Do you see how we did that? Was it easier to count those groups of 10s? Kinda. Brianna earned a sticker for each book she read. How many books did Brianna read? Could we put them in groups of 10 again? Yes, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know each row is 10, so I could circle that, and I know I have a group of 10. Oh, but is this a group of 10 here? Yes, so we're going to have another group of 10. How many is it, boys and girls?
21.
All right. Jose counted the pennies in his piggy bank. How many pennies does Jose have? Let's see if we have groups of 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this a group of 10? Yes, so I'm going to circle it. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Is this a group of 10? No. So we're going 32 pennies. Sorry. All right. Show the number 26 using the 10 frame. How many is this, boys and girls? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many is this? 10. So we're going to go up to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can I fill this whole 10 frame in, boys and girls? No. How many do I have left to fill in? 6. Could you fill it in like this? Yes. Could you fill it in like this? Could you fill it in a different way? Yes. Does the way you fill in 26 matter? If you understand what is expected on your homework, give me a thumbs up. Way to go, boys and girls.